The Metro Recreational Property. The proposed site development project will also contain a Class 4C Metro Recreational Property. The site must be further subdivided to include this public recreation area. While you work through the lessons in this course, you will learn drop element, extend line, move parallel, create region. Continuing in the proposed site plan DGN file, locate this area shown here. From the Home tab, in the Groups ribbon Group, pick Drop Element and enable the following: Complex, Line Strings and Shapes. Pick each one of the line strings and line chains that makes up the subdivision roadway, dropping these to individual segments. Take note, dropping these elements will make future changes to the proposed site development geometry easier. Next, we're going to modify the property line. From the Modify ribbon group, pick Extend Line and set the following in the tool settings. For the distance, -200. Pick the element at this location. Repeat this for the element at this location here. Set the active level to Property Line DP via the level picker. Using the Place Line command, create the following 3 segments by snapping to the endpoints of the existing elements. Hint: as needed, disable the length and angle settings. In Attributes, set the following: for the level, recreation area, and by level, for color, line style, and weight. From the Manipulate ribbon group, pick Move Parallel and set the following: for the method, Element, for the mode, Original, for distance, 20, and make Use Active Attributes enabled and Make Copy enabled. Pick each of the segments, creating a parallel copy of each towards the inside of the Metro Recreational Property. Next, we are going to create the Metro Recreational Property boundary. From the Groups ribbon group, pick Create Region and set the following: for the method, Flood, for the fill type, None, keep Original disabled, and Dynamic Area Locate enabled. Now, move the cursor inside the recreational area. Because Dynamic Area Locate is enabled, the region is automatically identified. Accept the creation of the region with a data point. Take note, the line segments that make up the Metro Recreational Property have been joined into a complex shape. Press Escape to terminate the command. In the View Control Tools, pick Fit View. From the Quick Access toolbar, pick Save Settings. During this lesson, the Metro Recreational Property area was created on the proposed site plan. This began by using Drop Element to break apart the existing property lines, reducing them to individual line segments. The resulting property line geometry was then offset an exact distance with Move Parallel to create the recreational property boundary. Dropping more complex geometry to individual segments made it possible to work with only the desired pieces of the property line geometry. A shape was then created from the segments that made up the recreational property boundary using Create Region.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.